Boss.
How much do you hand?
Boss, you say?
Which one besides say? I said, how much do your pocket?
I get 20.
It be like I want chop chicken pepper soup this night. So make you arrange them fast. Call her, go make she come cook them for us.
I deal with you. You do enjoy, boss.
Ago. The place we stopped work the last time. I want to make you go there later today. Confirm what is going on there.
I deal with you.
You hear me, sir?
Yes, boss. I deal with you.
Menka, don't forget that chicken.
No.
If you forget them. I'll greet you up.
You dey talk without respect, Abi. Go your knees, Jerry. They know the fear. You can't settle us, Abi.
Please, I did not come here to make any trouble. I have come to collect my goods. I will pay when I have the money.
You be like say no they fear. Huh? So you have the God to enter here to ask me of your goods. See, make I tell you something. If you no pay 3K from now till tomorrow morning, you see that your goods, just forget about it.
Please, I'm begging you. I don't have any money. Let me have my goods. I'll pay when I have money.
Wait, oh. So, waiting in the tell you now be like Jamaican language for your ear, Abi. Eh? Ask about us, oh. We not a joke, oh. Eh? Not try am again, oh. We not a joke, oh.
See. Let that man stand up.
Boma call some of
Let that man stand up.
Biena.
Stand up.
Oga, get up. Before I change them for you.
Take.
Come on, take the drink.
He's a gentleman.
Agree to Tondo offer you drink. You not happy?
They take us.
We dey celebrate, but just join us.
You want test them, share? Share na 3K what I tell you say make you bring before. See, as your hand don't touch that glass, what you go bring in a 5K? What did I talk? 5K. Oh yeah, drop that drink.
You don't hear am now.
Not small thing now. Not small thing.
Drop it. Drop that in here. 5K. Hey, from now till tomorrow morning, if I don't see the 5K, what I go do you? What I go do you? They come out here.
Move! Before I give you to the gods, come on, match it.
My mind is telling me that we have made a mistake. We would have followed Papa. No, it's all good. Huh? Hey, let me tell you, I'm afraid of those boys. Huh? I am afraid of those boys. They are very wicked. My point is, if we can make this particular money right now, so that we can travel back to the city. I hate this place. Tawa City. Oh, no. We have something at hand now. Forget about the city. Don't even think about it. See, I'm very, very annoyed of myself. Fact, I'm telling you. Honestly, if I remember how those boys disgraced us before the villagers, that is the reason we need to do something. We need to do something now that Papa have gone there to beg them. My problem here now is that that is the highway, village tout highway. Papa, what is it? Papa, any problem? Why is Papa speechless? Like I generally have the problem. Papa, hold on now. Papa, Cherenu now. Emenia, Papa, Emenia, Papa, no. Papa, how can you just give those criminals refract village town? The last 3,000 we have in this house. Or what possible?
The 3,000 naira you're talking about, it's not even enough.
Eh?
Their money is 5,000 naira. I'm going back there to beg them. I need my drugs back so that I can continue my business.
Can you imagine? That cannot happen. This is the only 3,000 we have in this house. How can you go and give those useless people the only 3,000 we have in this house? Oh, Papa, what possible? He gave me
look who is talking. Look at them. Look who is talking. Were you not there when they took my things away? Did you try to stop them? Good for nothing children. So you didn't nick on the moya.
Insult that, Papa, where are you going? Where do you think you are going? Where? Well, you will not go with this.
Okay, let me ask you. What are you trying to do? You are blocking me.
Yes, now.
As again a damn blocker.
Papa, wait, oh. Papa, what is it? Papa, what is it? You will not get away with this money, oh.
Okay.
Papa. You see, like father, like his son. In Ayala, are you mad? Are you mad? Yeah? Is it not your father? Is it not your father? Papa, if you give this money, don't come back to this house, so we eat you. I do bam. We don't have any money in this. We eat you. Hey. No matter. Hey. We eat you like bam. Nobody is coming. But we eat you. We eat. Hey.
Wahala don land the for our villa. Now we go stop am. Now we go confront am. Onye napu, onye nkapu.
Now they do this thing. I don't know this one where they do like person when never chop food. Every time you go, they tell me give you work. I don't give you work now. You don't even carry shovel where. Which kind of thing be this? Pour this thing full and make I carry and go come out. I bet pour this thing. I don't understand this one where they do like this. Just they do like person where they drink akam.
They walk without license. You walk without license. Are you okay? Eh? Come on! Drop that thing. Oh yeah. Move. Come on. They make you walk on. Come on. Move. Come on, move. Wait. They want to move. Wait till they walk with us. They walk without license. Hey.
Alright, kneel down here. Kneel down there.
Your head's in the air. Hallelujah. I see your head.
So after all the warning, you went on to walk on that land. To walk in this land. To keep walking on this land. Huh? Who sent you here again?
The owner of the place told us that he have settled with you.
You don't settle with me. But Satan punish that man will tell you that thing. If I catch him, I go skin him alive.
Yes,
you hear me, so?
Yes, sir.
If I catch you people on this land again, what thing I go do you, What thing I go do you and that man, Now, listen. As for your working tools, tell them say make it come house, come collect them. You hear what they talk?
Yes,
fools. Now run.
I
say run.
Come. For your whole land, na him be the owner. For your trouble, you go pay am levy. Which kind person be this year?
What is it now? Papa have started deceiving us in this place, just the way he deceives us in the city. See, let me tell you, all this day Papa is saying there is no money in this house. Or is a lie, yo. There is money in this house. Man, I can't go digging. What are we even looking for? Stop asking that kind of question now. Stop asking that question. We are looking for money. Here you go. Yes. See, let me tell you. Go to Papa's room now. Search everywhere in his room. I will be here waiting for you fast. There's no money. There's no money. Papa, did you see anything? Now, did you see anything? Did you see anything? Go there, here. Yeah? What is all this now? Yeah? If Papa should hide money anywhere, I don't think it will be in this house. I reason with you. I get your point. See, let me tell you, that is the only thing you have ever said that is right in this house. Oh, go and sit down. It's okay. Let me tell you, there's nothing hidden under the sun at all. Don't worry. Let us give Papa time. Can you go? Let him do whatever he want to do. But one day, we'll catch him. But let's wait here. I know actually, Papa.
Now which kind person be this year? Otondo, oye napu, oye kapu. Otondo, oye napu, oye kapu. Otondo, Otondo no get respect here. Nobody be anything for us here.
Momenta.
Boss.
That plantain is very fresh and beautiful. I think I need it.
It is yours.
Yes.
Hey.
Bring it.
The great Otondo wants this plantain.
Brother, the plantain is not for sale. I cut it so that my family can eat it this afternoon.
Omenka, what's in the shell now?
Waiting, consign me and your family. I be like your family member.
What did they happen now?
I say the great Otondo want this plantain. Move!
What did they happen now? Guy, to the waste time. Madam Wakana.
Oye kapu. Otondo.
Tell me fast.
I left the city because of NAFDAC, only to come here and meet another obstacle. It is true, I have met up with Otondo's demand, but I know he will never stop coming for more.
Oh, we are back.
Where are the herbs I sent you to collect?
Izu, Gist, Papa. Papa, we are no longer going to the village square or market square to sell our medicine again. Bam.
Meaning what?
Papa, meaning that we have sent out messages to some of our customers, telling them that they should come to our house for medicine and treatment, and they promise they are going to do so.
Chima, is it true?
It's true, Papa. It means that Otondo and his boys are not going to disturb us again. Bye, Bubani. Bakam.
I am impressed. You guys are indeed smart.
Like father, like son.
You can say that again.
One more thing, Papa. We have decided to be using card just the way they are using it in the hospital. That means that anybody, anyone who wants to see you will buy our card. Yeah. Papa, it is called consultancy fee. Each card 200 naira. Wagam. Bam.
Who gave you this idea? Something I have never thought of in my life.
2 heads are better than one. One.
You boys have killed me. In fact, you deserve one wombo this evening.
Papa, come out from there. Come out. Your second name is Promise and Fair. Papa, if we want drinks, we will go and buy drinks for ourselves. Chima, let's go and get some apps so that Papa will continue with what he's doing. Let's go. Yes. Hey.
These boys are indeed smarter than their father and wiser than the serpent.
I don't know for you. If you take my medicine, just give me money. Whether it cure, it no cure, it no consign me. Ogo, onye napu, onye nkapu, otondo for your whole land, yeah, na him be the whole na. For your own shot, you go pay am levy. Which kind person be this year? Otondo, now which kind person be this year? Otondo, oye napu, oye kapu, otondo.
No, waiting now. They're not be making you. Drop the plantain and go. I go. Help her. Help her.
They make her help you before they could talk sin and make key for you. I drop her.
Who is buying me?
Obeng. Did you tell her I was buying the plantain?
I never did though. Madam, we don't free you. Just carry your van. Then they go now. Immediately.
If you don't give me money, that means my family will go hungry this afternoon.
Ebila says she no want go. She won't keep us company, eh?
No, boss. We just don't
Madam, you there?
need our company.
Walk out quick now, waiting. They find money.
You still want for loss.
Carry. Oh, Ego. How are you?
Fine.
Ego is here. At least she's going to help us roast the plantain this evening.
Baby, I've seen that girl's house.
Who?
The girl that fought me the last time.
Oh.
Wait, you have discovered their house?
Yes, so as I speak to you now, she's currently at home.
God,
see, baby, I want your boys to beat her mercilessly. She has really beaten more than she can chew.
It's okay. I am going to take care of that. Come on, let's go.
All right, baby.
You have some work to do. Okay?
What are you talking about? You give the head of your plantain to Otondo.
I had to. Those not with me, oh. It's the plantain that I wanted to use the money for something.
Hey,
Chinekena.
Oh. I wouldn't have allowed them if I were you.
What would you have done? You would have resisted them?
Yes, I would have resisted them. Have you seen why I said the women should rise and say no to all this?
Mama Chizaba, Potaba. Potaba. Forget that thing you said about Omuai. They will not do anything. Happier. Forget it.
Then you have to get ready for another thing that might be worse than what you just experienced. The earlier we fight for ourselves, the better for all of us and our families. Thank you.
Afa tabu wanya na mili. Kwani wanya o? Kwani wanya biko kwani wanya o? Afa ta wanya mili. She's so heartless. Wanya bo bi apo. She could not even sympathize with me ni femem. If I knew you stopped me here because of this nonsense, Onyaka Akose, I'm not king home. Come here, and I got a
Omenka and his group, they are taking too much in this village.
After all my explanation, Fabilisi plantain without giving me 10 kobo, was that not wickedness?
I think Igwe must not hear this. We can't continue to live in bondage in this village.
Male, like this, I don't show. What did happen? When I give me location, I need locate that guy. Let me in a full state. I go run that guy. When they give me chance, I want to go bring the plantain and come back.
My daughter, you cannot handle Utondo and his group. They are so hot.
Standing fan, say waiting. Why not go stand up? Pale, see if you talk this thing again, I'll shave your baby. Who be this earthworm? Why you dey point me? Centipede.
I know why they leave you and because of your parents.
When you shut up before I run you, they mad.
Hey. So just shut up. Open your mouth. So you are the one, eh? Come on, come here.
Me.
Omenka, you go there, this guy go dey insult you like this.
Biko keji kwa no wan settle oku abiko.
Popsy. Mona no make me vex. Right now I dey vora, I dey vex. When I dey beg na, you babu because you place your baby, they dey beg you. Who you be?
Helendo. So this is your daughter, eh? And you are hearing her insulting me.
Bros.
Your sissy thing that.
No they waste your saliva.
Move with me now.
Oh yeah, move me now. Eh? You dey tell me make her move. You choke. I dey ask you, you choke.
You choke.
Yeah? You choke.
Oh, okay now.
You see they talk.
You choke.
Oh yeah. You dey crazy. I said when you stand and talk to you, they mad. Who you be? You dey crazy. They mad. Pops, Male, 12 and this one they do. I know they like am. I know they do am. I go change am for now right now. What do they play? Who na they beg? That guy, Papa, Pale. See, one year no pattern. I'll shave your baby. Where be the location?
Where's Omeka?
What is going on there?
Boss, I don't know. She came in and she refused to say a word to me.
My baby. Organize the girlfriend,
Omeka has disappointed me.
What happened?
I could not even believe it myself.
Talk to me, what is it?
How do I even start explaining this? I don't know how to say it, babe.
Just say it.
Baby, can you believe that Ugoma beat Omeka blue and black?
Who?
Ugoma, the girl you asked us to go and bring.
Ego, you're joking.
You feel I'm joking? I'm not joking, no. As I speak to you, Omeka is on the floor. And Ugoma is on top of her, giving her blows. Serious blows, though. I had to run for my dear life. Ha.
A woman beating my own Omenka up.
Baby, it's not just beating him up. She beat him up like a baby. Like a small child. Ha!
Omenka, you fall my hand. I can't wait to lay my hands on that girl and I'll teach her a lesson. Boss, let me go there myself.
I go. Arrange weed for me.
Allow him to go now.
Boss.
I go mold weed for me.
We needed to have seen how Ugoma was beating Omenka. That can get power.
Baby, shut up and massage my shoulders.
My sister, the matter is even getting worse. I don't know what to do.
Then what are you doing? She can't go on and suffer like that.
What do you want me to do? What have we not done? Where have we not taken her to? Name the hospital.
Didi, are you a stranger in this village? That you have not heard about the new herbalist?
The one they call Odiko.
Yes, he is now the talk of the town.
Okay.
Hello, fine girls.
Hi.
How you doing? My name is Uzogo. You know, people call me Izu Malama Echimango too. Yes. And this is my twin brother, Chima. Yes. And let me tell you, if you have anyone that is sick, bring him or her to our house and we no longer operate in the village square. Yes, so...
You mean you now treat and administer medicine in your father's house?
Yes! Ichia.
Okay, no problem. My friend here, her mother has been suffering from waist pain for a very long time now.
Waist pain?
Yes.
That one is Akamukese. Can't your mother heal? Amen. There's no need wasting time. Go and bring your mother. It will not cost you anything to save your mother's life. Yes!
Listen. Okay, I'm going to bring her.
We are expecting you.
No problem, thank you.
All right.
Okay, no problem.
See you tomorrow.
While you're going, please take care of your mother.
Okay, I will.
Right, take care.
Okay.
I went to see my friend, but you didn't tell me you were coming.
I had an emergency.
I thought as much. You look worried. What is the problem?
It is my mother. She's very sick. Okay. And I've discovered a place to take her to.
Okay.
Yes, but I need some money.
Like how much are you talking about?
10,000 will be fine.
10,000?
Yes.
You are very, very sure? Okay, fine. Let's go to my house. I will give you the money.
You mean it?
Yes, I will.
Thank you. This is wonderful. You, come here. No, your image.
Ayuba. Huh? Ayuba. Oh, God.
You had the guts to hug a girl before me. Huh? You know the fear.
But Tondo, what have I done?
What did
My
you just
boss,
call?
they talk to you, still they stand up, they answer. My friend, will you go down?
this boy, he looks like you're very stubborn.
Come here now. So you know the fear. Respect don't finish for your eye. Huh? They hear they hug this stupid boy. Hmm?
He's my fiancé.
Shy. Fiancé kill you there.
Philomena.
This one, fiancé. This one. Fiancé. Huh? Amenka.
Boss.
Bring her along with me. And you're gonna stay here till I ask you to leave. Bring her along with me.
But I can't just leave him here.
See, if you're there, I personally will kill you. He said you should kneel down and hands up. Obey the last order. Put your hands up.
Everybody they fear am, including Igwe. All the girls they for trouble, another wahala. One person no go let community drinking water. If you hear out on the name, your heart go
Boy, as Bobos, they side the church of that girl, but they are side the church up your money.
You know, sir, they tell you say they talk too much. Till they do cho. Kind of action they talk about here.
No, be only action film. Play game.
I tell you, I get them. Start go market.
Not the border. Oh yeah. Give me circle. Give me circle.
Circle.
You not go market now. Oh yeah, play.
Where is she?
Woo, boss. Tigger.
Two of you are very stupid. Wait. No, tell me, say, two of the day here, this girl just run past. We don't know see him.
No.
You want me to shoot you now?
This is the joy of free inside the day they run go ass.
May God punish you. See, I want that girl here immediately.
All right, boss.
Okay.
Look at these two fools, oh. Eh? How do you just stay here? This guy could just run past you now. What are the craze?
Trouble don't come again near our villa. Wahala don't land here for our villa. Now who go stop him? Now who go confront him? Onye napu, onye nkapu, otondo
Oh, Mama Chizaba. Kadu?
How the ma? How is Ugoma?
Ugoma is fine, oh. Hi.
What is it?
Hi.
Take it easy.
Rheumatism, Obugom.
Hey.
Does not want me to have peace.
You are the one who is delaying your cure. Eh?
How do you mean?
How many times have I told you to go and meet that herbalist? Eh? Mr. Odoko? Go to that man. All your problems will be over. I am a living testimony.
Then when I'm tired of going from place to place seeking for solution for.
Try Mr. Odoko's medicine. He's the last bus stop.
Okay, I will think about it.
Oh.
Wahala dey sleep, oh. Go wake am, oh, eh. Wahala dey sleep, oh. Go wake am, oh, eh. Wahala dey in teen, oh. Wake am, oh, eh. Wahala dey, oh. Wake am, oh, eh. Na me be Ugoma, original Wafigelo.
I thought Ndidi said she loves me. That she's ready to do anything for me. That she's even willing to die for our love. Now she has gone with them. Even my hands are paining me.
If you find my trouble, you don't buy market, it be that. If you refuse to cooperate, I go show you another side. I dey like Buko, I get in many chapter. If you want peace, me I dey.
Ogbeni, wetin dey sup? Guy, wetin dey sup? I do they play. So out of everywhere where they pray, you no see anywhere may you go do your prayer, and a road you need and they pray.
So what all concern you?
Oga.
Where are they pray no concern you? Now where I like now go pray.
Oga, that be my business, sir. I don't understand why you go there here. Any place is there for you to pray. You just kneel down for you.
Now where I like now go pray.
Come, let's go.
What happened?
I didn't know you're still kneeling down here.
What happened? Where are they?
Let's go.
Obinna. Okay. Now I understand what they saw. Eh? So na person pikin make her kneel down here before. I see the person never see for this village.
Baba, you feel like saying boyfriend don't run.
That means that two of them go follow.
Yeah, come, let's go, babe, before they go far.
You are.
Really, Pete. Santi. So now be the boys where they terrorize this place. Sit down now, Oga. We got jam. Guy, I need to collide with your Oga. We need to meet. I need to meet Otondo personally. We need to meet. I need to collide with this boy. We need one match.
Let's leave before this will come here and meet us now. Okay?
You are who? Follow to which house?
Me and you, of course.
You and who? Going to which house? After you must have disgraced me in the presence of that idiot, now you want to go to my house.
I don't understand you. How do you mean? You are getting me confused here.
Ndidi, you have defiled yourself, and I will never, ever in my life have anything to do with you again.
Me? Defile myself? How?
Of course. I am not a fool. After you might have slept with that idiot, now you want me to continue with you. It's not possible and it will never happen.
Oh, is this what all this is all about? Otondo did not sleep with me. He wanted to, but I fought my way and ran out of his room.
Wait, let me ask you, where is your strength? Because the Otondo I know will not see sugar and leave it behind.
Oh, I swear to God, Otondo did not touch me. I can swear, he did not touch me.
Yeah, Otondo did not touch you?
Yes.
Let me warn you for the very last time. Next time I see you near my house, I swear to God you will not like what I will do to you. Don't come near my house again.
Is this a joke?
Go your way and stop pestering me around. Please, to you. Nonsense. Let me see you again. Idiot.
To make na my home, I don't know for you. If you take my medicine, just give me money. Whether it cure, it no cure, it no consign me. Ogo mubu unigwe, try and see.
How long have you had this rheumatism?
For 2 years now.
2 years?
Yes.
Ota
Come back after 5 days and tell me how you feel.
Okay.
Remember, take it with small cup once every day.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
Your money will be 1,700 naira.
Original herbalist. Anyhow they do you for body.
Number 10. Is that your card? Have you paid?
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you doing?
I'm okay.
You are welcome. Welcome.
Thank you.
See, let me tell you. Our card is 200 naira. 500 for express. If only you want to be attended to immediately. Cham.
Okay. Let me pay for express.
Okay,
Mama,
ma'am.
cake is free.
Now let me tell you, we have 2 express patients already. So you have to go there and sit and wait for your.
It's again.
Or again.
Then why did I pay for express if I'm still going to wait? Please give me back my money.
No, it's not refundable. Not refundable. Take your card. Your number is number 16. Go and wait.
What?
Yes. Yes. Go and wait. Yes. Go and wait.
Mama, let's go. Hi.
Number 11.
He's not around.
To where? I don't know. Okay. Wait down. Number 12.
I know, Mia.
Come.
Oduko, hey, Oduko and songs, Abba mixtures. The same they must make a move, no be small matter. From city to villa, guy man no do. Whether na malaria, Oduko. Whether na typhoid fever, Oduko. Whether na diabetes, yo, Oduko. No matter wetin it be, yo,
Male, you not like your life, Abi? Now while they blow the trumpet, not drink this concoction, you know 1 year. Just like that, you want your pef for nothing. You know why enjoy your youthful age, Abi?
See, I'm sure this thing is very effective. That is why when you go to his house, you will see a queue of people.
You know, say when I fed this small, you fed they tell me, say, now you they carry first for class. Well, right now, I clear say you be first grade or lodo. You don't know anything. So you won't drink this thing. They not tell you that way you dey school, so everything where they shine not be good. They not teach you that one.
Come, allow your mother to take her medicine. What is your problem?
It's not too often be my problem. No, the year wait at the yam. This concussion no good. See concussion when no get NAFDAC number. But you know where government talks me will no eat or drink anything when no get NAFDAC number. You know that one? You know
NAFDAC is for people in the city. For us in the village, we have no business with NAFDAC number.
Okay, nah. He clear say you don't know anything. First class last now you carry. Pale. What's it be NAFDAC number? People where they city. Now human being. You where they here, you be animal baboon. You know they die. Abi?
Do you know how much you want about this medicine?
1,700 naira.
For this concussion. Enjoy, drink am, digest am. By the time we tell for your body. Not piece am.
Check it well before you.
Hey, one round, I know they hear.
Drink it. Don't mind it. Don't mind her.
Wow. Bravo. It's unbelievable. We have never made this kind of money. Not even while we were in the city.
Let's share to this. Papa, that means you need to settle us. You know, we are the one that initiated the idea. Yes. See, Papa, Otundo and his boys will never disturb us again. Bam! Ijia. Izog is right.
But I have been doing things for you guys. I just bought you drinks.
Papa? One bottle. Ordinary 200 naira. Papa, why are you so stingy?
I am not stingy. Have you forgotten so soon? Were you not the ones that said that we need to raise money so that we can return to the city? No. I will be the one to keep it. I'm the principal accountant.
How much is there? Papa, you are deceiving us.
How can I deceive you? Are you not my children? Listen, I am very proud of both of you. Don't worry. This evening I'll buy you more drinks.
You see what Papa is doing? What is all this now? If we did not save this money from this express payment now, why are you talking about? Papa is stingy, very, very stingy.
I hope both of you are not planning on how to steal my money. Because you know you are smarter than your father.
Wait, Papa, you are very funny.
So I'm not a comedian. I'm funny.
But Papa, I heard you said your money is our money.
No, I am the one that is keeping the money because I'm the principal accountant. So all of a sudden it's no more AB. It is now ABC.
Papa is
because money is involved.
It's our money.
Our money.
It
is my money. When you send your money to the bank, it belongs to the bank. Now I am the bank for this family. It is my money.
Trouble don't come again, your power feel. Wahala don't land here, power feel. Now who go stop him? Now who go confront him? Onye napu, onye nkapu. For your whole land, yeah, na him be the owner. For your own shop, you go pay am levy. Which kind person be this year? Otondo, now which kind person be this year? Otondo, oye napu, oye kapu. Otondo, oye napu, oye kapu. Otondo.
My love, good morning.
How are you, my dear?
I'm fine. I'm good.
How are you doing?
I'm fine. I have a surprise for you.
Surprise for me?
Yes.
What is it?
This.
What's that?
This is an infection drug. It's called washing and setting. Once you take this to wash everything from your system.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's nice. Very interesting.
Very nice.
So where did you get it from?
I got it from Mazi Ojoko, the herbalist man. He attends to people in his house. If you see the crowd there, baby, the crowd was much. I had to just get one for you.
Where are you guys? I want to see you here immediately. Be very fast about it. Yeah, I'm alright. I'm good. Yeah. Washing and setting, huh?
Yeah, very nice.
Where did you get it from again?
Mazi Ojoko. You know, that herbalist man that came from the city with his twin sons. Yeah. Very nice. People are really testifying about it.
Yeah.
So just try
it's
it
really
out.
nice. Good.
I thought I should get one for you. You know, as my baby.
People should wait. Okay, calm down. Always be calm. Go ahead and force, sir. You. I force, sir. Okay, just calm down. Go on, Utoro. Utoro. Go on, Utoro.
So it's true. So ni friend na no bezioku. Huh? You people think you're wise. You think you're wise, eh? Uchenu maife. Dala. Where is your father?
Eh? You are doing? Eh? Are you mad?
I said, where is your father?
Hey, come on now, talk. Wait till the warrior now. Wait. See.
Two of you. Come this way.
No, just there the wait first.
Come this way.
Which way?
Yeah. Move.
But at the waste time.
Go that.
Okay. Waste time.
We are not our father. We are not our father. You are not our father.
Go that.
Omenka. Go and get him. Oh yeah, be there with them. Omenka, go and get him.
If I'll do anyhow for years, the man they scratch me. They scratch me, they tell you. The man they scratch me.
We are not our father.
My head, I tell you. I'm not keep quiet.
So you've been making money here, right? Even with card.
Keep moving down.
Hey, look at our father. No need.
Get down.
Go.
Get down.
Okay. Keep moving.
Naya, Efuria, Onyori, Chalia Fono, Onyori from city of Seteten, Wolobaga Banguji Siaimi, Nekimiara, Mwasia Brimbox. You're trying to cheat me, right? You do this business in your house with your children, two of us. Seleboga, Frokode. Now I want a business with you, right? The business I have with you right now is that you're going to settle me with 25,000 naira.
For today and for the last 3 days.
Eminem, Ndori. Unasim, Ifroka Kafadisa.
My son, please. I don't have that kind of money. I will settle for 5,000 naira.
You dey mad? Now when you beat gun dey argue with the great Oton that go tear your head.
You dey argue.
5,000 naira kill you there. If he doesn't want to settle, go in there and pack all their working stuffs right now.
Please, I will settle for 10,000.
Pack whatever you can pack. I mean everything. And nobody moves. Hey!
So you came back to your house and started the business afresh. Or even giving cards.
Who is after you?
Nobody. I'm just running for my life.
This is funny. Wait. Nobody is after you, yet you're running for your life.
It is Otondo. Otondo and his boys. They came to Odioko's house and chased everybody away.
I thought
they are angry with Odioko for doing business at home without paying them.
What? What rubbish is going on in this village?
As I'm talking to you right now, they are dealing with Odioko and his sons.
Are you serious? But wait, oh. Kedife Madu Medende and Oboda, I mean, what have we done to these people to deserve this kind of treatment?
Obina, I don't know. I want to start going.
But wait a minute. Is it not the same Otondo that nearly raped my fiancé? Does it mean that our Igwe does not know about the activities in this village? Something really needs to be done. Something needs to be done about these people. They are going very, very far. Okay, let me look for where to follow. Who knows where they are coming from?
Trouble don't come again, your power feel. Wahala don't land the power feel. Now we'll go stop him. Now we'll go confront him. Onye napu, onye nkapu. Otondo for your whole life.
What is all this? What is all this? Hi! 20,000 naira. Hi! 20,000. Mwambwe go 20,000 naira. The whole money we made in 3 days just vanished. Hi! Hi! I didn't know that Papa was going to give them that big money. He would have stopped at 10,000 naira. Chai! Yana Pokwa Kabo monkey they walk, Babu they shop. Are we fools? Hi. Are we fools? Hi! My children. Papa, we are angry with you. Very, very angry. Papa, how could you descend so low? How could you have given those shenanigans, those village monkeys, those hoodlums, all those stupid people such a huge amount of money, Papa? How could you?
I didn't want them to take my things away. I know what I passed through in their hands the last time I visited his house.
Papa, but Papa, you would have stopped at 10,000 naira. Yes! You would have insisted it is only 20,000 naira we have. Papa, yes, Papa. Papa, go and apply Ejiman to Oma's a highway. You taught us not to be afraid of all this Oka made. Yes. Papa, how could you just betray us? Papa, you have betrayed us. What is all this now? What is all this, Papa? Papa, let me tell you, if something is not done in this village, Papa will turn to those slaves in this village. Oh. I am telling you the truth.
You're right, my son. But the truth is, I wish I know what to do. I will do it immediately.
Papa, do you know why everybody is afraid of Otondo in this village? Yeah? Because nobody is ready to confront him. Papa, nobody has ever confronted him in this village.
Please, don't be the first to do so. That young man's heart is bad. His heart is evil. He has no human sympathy.
Papa, don't worry. Chima, let's go and talk. Papa, go first. Let's go and reason. We need to reason well.
Oduko and sons, Abba mixtures. The same day must make a move, no be small matter. From city to villa, guy man no do. Whether na malaria, chow Oduko. Whether na type of fever, chow.
They sleep, oh, go wake 'em up. Sassy girl, the only beautiful girl with eagle eyes. We know that too.
They point me, waiting happen. Come, guy, where you? Baboon, wake up, yeah? Calm down, calm down. And the monkey jacket will wear the PC. Take her easy.
See her. Just dey do anyhow. See as I dey like this, as this hand dey. They scratch me. I go.
Come, color beer, baboon. Who you be? Mother quiet, see. Mother keep calm. Oga, what's this up? Why not they block me?
No, now you be the beautiful girl with eagle eye.
You don't talk and finish now. What else you want to talk? You don't talk and finish. Now the matter be that. What's happen?
I came to see that girl that beats up everyone in this village, including my guys, my own girlfriend. Very interesting.
Very, very interesting. Now all of us in the community, anybody will do any, I go see any. Your guys, I go continue to beat them. And your girlfriend will be like ostrich. I go beat them well. I'm not fear you. Forget say you carry that down. Now all of us there here. Tell your guys me they come out for my road, man they go.
See my friend, watch your tongue. They know they talk to my boss.
Oga.
I go cut your neck for you, they tell you.
Oga, now your baby they deceive you. Now artificial. Oh. Not be your real baby be that too. I go lose them.
This girl no dey fear. Eh? Only this girl don't challenge me for this village. So you gotta leave a fool everywhere, right?
Huh? Baboon, base.
This girl no dey fear.
Base, yeah.
I'm supposed to teach this girl lesson. If I say no.
I run you guys.
If I say no, me.
I go run you guys. I go run you guys. They place. They burn you where? They oh, centipede. This they come.
Talk.
See, make we leave this girl. They waka, they go where would they go? We get important thing to go do.
Hey, brass, well, not too. Base. Say they go where who na be. Marry Chris.
See me.
Now you know pata finish na so na one move. Who be move? Guy, everybody as we dey, all of us will go move at the same time. Who na be?
Wait. See this girl, oh. Who gave you the right to stop us? Who you be? In the Yaba, in the Yaba, Tejima want to. You know the Yaba Tejima highway, Tejima want to. You can't hear the cab, the give us. See, make I tell you, not even try for where we go. Try out. I can't tell you.
You Chris.
Okay.
You laugh.
Wait. You don't slap my twin. Sima. Okay, come on. You right.
I am wash on a slap.
Oh boy, fight this girl. Fight her! I don't reverse. Fight this girl. Don't fight her. You don't die today. Fight this girl. See, if you don't fight this girl today, me I don't go take her. Fight her.
You want fight?
Okay, you can't. You won't try me.